face. Today, I'm gonna paint my sister's face really nice. And today, my sister's gonna paint my face really nicely today. So the first step, we're gonna do some stuff in our face. So first, any color you like in here, only green or red. It's so hard to paint them out. So we are starting now. Mommy will be quiet. I know my sister will be silly. Like that over my face. Guys, this is impressing. Let's see in my mirror. No, leave it. We're gonna see it after. So let's do it one more time because I don't like it anyway. I want the heart one. Okay, what? I'm just finding the heart. Which color? Oh, green, please. Maybe another side. I do like it. Same. Oh my god! This is really amazing. You will see it later in the mirror. Really amazing. I can't believe it. Believe? Yeah, I can never believe that one. Believe. You put that one then. And the side later. I'm telling you, this one looks but J-O-Y, Joy, and Joy is my classroom. This time I'm gonna. So Joy means Joy is my friend in my classroom. She got white face because she had night cream. And we got night cream, but we put it, guys, so she has face a little bit white. Yeah, me and my sister. So, yeah, over. And my nose. No. Why? Because it's not going to fit. We're going to use the paint on your nose. Oh my god! Okay, this one. Put in the green. Press harder. Wait. And more. That's it. That's it. Oh my gosh! Okay, so. Okay, some this Christmas and put it in the red. This Christmas. This, yeah, Santa. I thought it was Christmas. It's Santa. After Santa, we are gonna do Merry Christmas. Wait, this is another side. This side. Do it. No, me. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I know. You're like, oh, I did another side. Can I have a Merry Christmas with a green? This? Yeah, Merry Christmas. Let's try. No, let's do it more. Can I do it? Because okay. Give me. Oh my gosh, I like it! We just wasted me and my mom. And my sister. So now we are finished. And then if you like our video, please comment and like, subscribe our video if you liked it. But if you like it, please like it so much. If you like our video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye guys!